Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to our project kickoff meeting. This is in regards to the email that was sent out last week. So with the beginning of our new project and new initiative about ultimate smoke filtration device, we wanted to gather today to go over the details of the project and the product in itself and how the path would be laid in order for us to accomplish this. So without any further ado, I'll just get into the agenda. We'll discuss about what the project is about, what the product is about, and then what is the innovation strategy that was put into place in order to design this project. We will discuss through some of our critical to quality factors, our minimal viable product, our intellectual properties, customer demographics, and then our pricing, marketing, target strategy, and also we'll talk about our financials and risks, and then we'll take questions towards the end. Okay, so again, I welcome you all, and let's get started. So ultimate smoke filtration device, or USFD, is an air purification unit, and with this product we'll be launching into the purification equipment market segment, and this would be a revolutionizing product in that segment because of its technological advantage. So what it basically will do, it will eliminate smoke, any allergic impurities, dust particles from the air, and can be used both at commercial as well as personal level or personal use. It will incorporate sensors which will switch the device on and off automatically based off of the level of smoke in the air, and also a sensor to dispense fragrance to get rid of the stink that is left behind after someone smokes, or in general to get rid of any bad odors from the air within the house or indoors. So like I said, our technical aspect of the project would be to filter down air and purify it to a level which is way better than any of the existing products out there. Our innovative aspects about the product is that we will have two kinds of filters. We'll have sensor-based technology for automatic switch on, off, fragrance-based dispenser, which will again work on sensors and dispense fragrance. Then it will be portable with dual power source, both for electricity and rechargeable batteries. A little bit about the organization. So we are going with the limited liability corporate structure. This would help us to gain better seed funding, as it is attractive to venture capitalists. And then we can also, once we go public, we can have a better exit strategy if needed. So our type of business is manufacturing, obviously with the tangible product being produced towards the end, and we are incorporating lean manufacturing methodologies into it. So our critical to quality factor, or CTQ, is today the filters, they need to be replaced every now and then, and with this we are increasing lifeline so that the filters don't need to be changed every month or so. The noise will be reduced to a level where you wouldn't even feel if the device is on. And then with dual power source, it will be efficient, it will save electricity, percentage of filtration would be better to 0.003 microns. It will be compact size and sleek design. Our minimal viable product is that there will be replaceable filters, but with extended lifeline. There would be no minimum to no noise level at all. High technology device with 2 automatic sensors for device operation, as well as fragrance dispensing. Like I said, we'll filter dust particles or air to 0.003 microns, which is extremely clean air to breathe, and that's what every one of us deserves. So our intellectual property, we'll file a utility patent based on how the device would work towards the end, and then we'll have a design pattern based on how it would look, so that we don't get ripped off by some bogus companies out there in the market. These are our customer demographics. I won't get into the details. I'll leave the PPT out there for you to review. Any questions, please let me know. But we are starting with United States, then eventually getting into North America, Central America, and then rest of the world. So these are some of the consumer trends. What age group is the most, targetable one for air purification units? These are some statistics which have been run, and we know where or whom to focus on. So why the need? The need for this is because of 3 reasons. Medical, as you can see by the statistics, 16 million Americans are affected by nasal allergies, 26 million Americans have asthma. So it will cater to their needs. Then about 1 in 5 American adults smoke cigarettes, so we need something to take care of the smoke in air, and then get rid of any dust or pollen odors, indoors, which can affect our health. Our marketing strategy, we would go the route of the usual marketing strategy of print media and also internet marketing, where we'll have email marketing, our web marketing through our e-commerce website, and also use various social media marketing platforms. So we will develop our marketing strategy in a way that we'll get ranked at the top search engines like Google. We'll use our email marketing efficiently. We'll give promos out so people are attracted. We'll use social marketing media to gain much followers so that it's widespread. Everyone knows about the product. And then we'll also have a customer portal where they can register their complaints, they can give feedbacks, and then we can also incorporate that in our later versions of the product. Let's talk about the air purification equipment industry. It was huge back in 80s, but then it slowed down with recession. But it's again picking up, and it's estimated to reach $4.8 billion by 2020. And it's a stable industry now with, it's a growing industry. So our strategic opportunity is to get into retail giants like Walmart, Best Buy, which have wider reach when it comes to brick and mortar stores. So we can leverage that and get into every nook and corner of United States at least. So these are some of our 5 forces framework. Beginning with if there's an existing competition out there, we have competition, but they don't have a product which is as technologically advanced as ours. So you can say that we don't have existing competition. There's always threat of new entrants or substitute, product getting ripped off, and fake products replacing it. But that's why we're going through the route of having a patent file for the same. So our differentiation strategy would be our sensor-based technology, our battery life, our pricing point, its compatibility, its design, and then noise level, which would be reduced. Also, we'll with the product being sold, we'll provide guarantee, and also our portal, which would enable customers to feel more connected and provide feedback. Our pricing strategy has to be such that it is fair to both the organization as well as the end customers. So they can, we had to price it at a point which is affordable by lower to high class working individuals, and also because this is something not only for profitability but also to give back to the nature. So pricing strategy would be placed at a point which is slightly higher than what is existing in the market, but not off the charts or off the roof, so that common person cannot afford it. So by quality, we have some strategic positioning. By quality, we'll provide great quality products, and our material, every material used in the product would be of higher quality. Market segment is, like I said, it has to be lower to high class. And then user, we already discussed through the demographics. So strategic positioning for product is, by competitors, we'll differentiate ourselves with our product. It will speak for itself. By sales channel, we'll have direct sales, brick and mortar sales, online sales, e-commerce sales, so on and so forth. And like I said, we'll have customer portal and then warranty services. Our risk is that for financial, since this is a new company entering the market, we should now have we have risks about our vendors. Since we are new into the market, they might not provide us with materials of higher quality or meet our deadlines or schedules, which in turn would affect our delivery dates. And going back to financials, we might have to pay extra money to get a good quality product till we establish good relationship with our vendors. And then reputation, since we are new to the market, it might take some time to gain people's confidence. And then also we are at a risk of our design or utility being stolen. So patent should take care of that, but still that's a risk. And then we have our compliance issue if the government changes any regulation with smoking. And then quality, it will meet customer expectation, but then if due to some reason some customers feel that it's not doing enough, then we'll have to look into that as a risk as well. Our strengths, like I discussed through earlier, is technological advantage, our sensor-based technology, reliable performance, no noise level, portable design, product quality, it's lightweight, sleek design. Our weakness is no reliable suppliers, lack of own capital, and a supply chain management to begin with. Our opportunities are marijuana is being legalized in most of the states, so that has added customers to it. We have easy access to national market through retail giants or online marketing. And then our threats is if there are less smokers, or then we are not able to raise capital for it. So these are some of the uncertainties that markets can fluctuate, technologies keep on changing, and then we would not be able to compete with competitors if they come up with something new rapidly by looking at our design and working based off of the same. So project is economically viable. It will take us around 2 years to break even. And then let's talk about sustainability. So with our organization, we'll have to set up a plan for it, and we'll make sure to go solar with that and reduce electricity consumption so that we give back to the environment. We'll try to use as much as recyclable products for our manufacturing, at least our packaging. That will also help us giving back to the nature. These are some more economic sustainability factors that we'll take into consideration. And then having that said, this is something, which is with this we are entering a new market, and we have to be successful at it. So any questions or feedbacks, please reach out to me, email me, let's have a follow-up meeting on the same, and then let's get this work started. Yeah, thanks a lot for joining me today for the kickoff meeting. We'll have follow-up meetings on various roles and the roadmap, and then the project charter and project plan would be communicated to each one of you, and then we can build off of that. Okay, so best of luck, everyone, and talk to you soon. Bye.